supports the Ministry of Digital Governance. As you know, this last years we have implemented several projects. Many of them are provided right now to our citizens with interesting applications like wallet. I think that you are using it. Also, the health application, which is quite interesting and useful for our patients. Okay, first of all, what we have? We have three main pillars right now in Ministry of Digital Governance, except from the information systems that right now are hosted in three cloud infrastructures, which is G Cloud, H Cloud, and Research and Education Cloud. We have three main pillars, which are quite interesting. The first one is the legal framework. Since we are a minister, we have to implement a specific legal framework in order to provide information, and also to make legal the use of our information systems. And this main laws is the law for digital governance and the new law that we had in 2022, and we are going to change it right now, which is the law for emerging information and communication technologies, strengthening the digital governance, AI, machine learning, and DLT. As you can see here, we provide information also in this law about some guidelines, first guidelines for the use of blockchain in public sector. The second basic pillar is our strategy. Our strategy is comprised with two critical documents. The first one is our strategy document, which is the Digital Transformation Bible. This document sets a concrete priorities for the digital transformation of the country, mainly by formulating a portfolio of around 400 digital transformation cross-sectoral and domain-specific projects and initiatives that are expected to drive the accomplishment of the country's strategic goal. As you can see in the second line, this is the Digital Decade 2030 Action Plan, which is an obligation by the European Union that outlines Greece's vision and objectives for digital transformation by 2030, aligning with the European Union Digital Decade targets. This comprehensive plan focuses on enhancing digital infrastructure, skills, public services, and business innovation. And key components of this Digital Decade Action Plan include digital skills development, digital infrastructure enhancement, e-government services, support for digital innovation, and cybersecurity measures. Also, in the third pillar, we have the funding right now, let's say, funding availability that we have. The Recovery and Resilience Program, which is a 3 billion euros program for digital transformation, and the Structural Funds project, which is quite common in European Union, is part of the European budget, that provides us with 9 million euros also for digital transformation. But our main financial instrument, as I said, is the RRF project, which covers specific components, like enhancing digital infrastructure, modernizing public administration, promoting digital skills, supporting business digitization, and advancing research and innovation. Now, from the beginning, we have the strategy. The strategy was the vision of the Ministry of Digital Governance back to 2020. It constructs in two critical, let's say, pillars. The first one is the base registries and the information systems on the left hand. On the right hand, it's the impact of these information systems to the citizen. We have created this graphic, which is quite interesting, that provides, let's say, a road that each citizen has a role, a different role, based on the business of its own. For example, if it's a taxpayer, if it's an employer or a student.